How to stop hiccups in newborn baby 5 ways. Hiccups are normal in a newborn baby. Baby even hiccups in the womb, which is an alarm for mothers that it's totally natural. If you want to stop hiccups in newborn baby, you have to be patient for 2 to 3 minutes. If the hiccups are not stopping, you need to follow some brilliant ways to get rid of baby hiccups. Hiccups in newborn baby occur due to change in temperature. If you see some unusual hiccups in newborn baby, you should contact your doctor regarding the issue. Also, don't try to stop hiccups in newborn baby by pulling his/her tongue, closing mouth or doing odd things. How to stop hiccups in newborn baby. Here are some ways to stop hiccups in newborn baby. Number 1. Sugar. Put some sugar on a pacifier or finger. Let baby suck your finger for a few minutes and hiccups will surely go away. If the baby have started eating cereal, then you can put some small sugar balls in his/her mouth to stop hiccups fast. Number 2. Breastfeeding. Some people say that breastfeeding is the reason behind baby hiccups, but it's not true. Doctors say that you should feed your baby when you see your baby having hiccups. While breastfeeding, baby changes his/her breathing pattern and this helps in reducing the hiccups in few minutes. Though it will surely take some time, but you must continue feeding him/her until they disappear. Number 3. Burp your baby. This way helps your baby to get rid of any excess gas in their system. You will also notice one loud hiccup before everything is normal. Your baby might cough when the hiccup is ending. These are all signs that you must know. You need to stay calm in these cases. Number 4. Place your baby on ground. When you see hiccups are increasing, you must place your baby on the bed on his/her belly. Allow your baby to move around a little bit. Placing your baby in such a position will help to get rid of any air bubbles present in his/her stomach. You should rub his/her back and play with your baby so that movements made by your baby can help in stopping hiccups quickly. Number 5. Cover your baby with blanket. When temperature decreases, hiccups in newborn baby increases. So, you can keep your baby warm to stop hiccups. Help your baby to stay warm for a while and hiccups will be decreased. Follow these ways to stop hiccups in newborn baby.